At Watershed UGA, we've spent the last 2 years engaging the university's campus in sustainability through their local watersheds. As a partnership between the Odom School of Ecology's River Basin Center and the Office of Sustainability, we work to restore streams and educate the UGA and Greater Athens community. Watershed UGA plans service events for volunteers to help clean up their local watersheds, and in addition, we provide educational and research opportunities across town. The central campus streams we work to protect include Lily Branch, Tanyard Creek, and Trail Creek. In addition, we've embarked on the exciting long-term plan to restore Lake Herrick and its headwaters to a safe level for recreational use. Lastly, Watershed UGA provides modules and activities for both K-12 and university instructors to engage students in the importance of local watersheds while participating in service learning. In the last 2 years, we've accomplished a lot to be proud of.
Watershed UGA works here at Stroud Elementary School with the 4th and 5th grade problem-solving team. 2017-2018 school year, we're working on building a pollinator garden. The students decided to build this garden in order to help increase biodiversity on their campus. As we're building and restoring the nature trail that goes right next to the garden, the students wanted to be a part of that, but have a chance to do something that was special for them as well.
I used to swim at Lake Herrick, be able to swim in it again. One of the things we did was to put in some floating wetlands in the inflow area.
The Athens Home for Discarded Objects is an interactive installation that invites people to adopt trash objects by giving them a name, a place of birth, thinking about its story and how it ended up in the river. And so it started as a collaboration with Watershed UGA and Bag to Bag, who are doing river and road cleanups in the area. We want people to think a little bit more about objects as something that has a life and a story, and not just a thing to be consumed and thrown away. We wanted people to engage a little bit more intimately, so we created this large-scale installation that references a room and has a series of objects.
Watershed UGA is turning this beautiful campus into a living laboratory, promoting experiential learning, research, and public service. Our goal is to change the local culture, to ensure a community which is knowledgeable and contributing toward an increasingly sustainable UGA and Greater Athens. With your help, we can make a difference.